What is up, everybody? Wasn't me here, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a bass track like this one. Well. First and first, the intro. So since I don't know how to make South Sea intros, I just selected a sample, which is this one, and then I just added a little bit of elements here on the mixer track, like these ones, which actually are a patch from Thread Collective. Also, go check that boy; he's fucking insane. And then route the rack to this sidechain channel. So yeah, that's pretty much my intro. Oh, also I added some effects like this ones from here. You see? To create a transition effect. Then I recorded these vocals with my phone, which sounds like this.
Desde aquí, ¿no? Sí.
Yeah, that's me speaking Spanish.
What we think we become the next.
And actually, with a little bit of EQs or VSTs, you can get that noise that I'm gonna be showing you, or sound maybe. I mean, sorry. Then did the same thing. Link my vocal to the lead channel or the intro channel.
What we think
And this is what
we
we
become.
So what I did next was my kick and clap. My kick and clap stuff, which are the simple pattern as always. And yeah, the sidechain, this intro stuff, and the FX. We have something like this. Then, for the build up, it's easy. You just have to. Sorry for that. You just have to use your pattern from the drop and build also a melody, which is pretty easy to do because it consists only on bass and a lead. Then the same structure of kick and clap shit, and your vocal, sidechain, and I don't know what that is, but yeah, it's there because it's doing something. What I love to do for my build-ups is to incorporate my drop elements, such as the principal bass or the main bass, but create this auto clip to make it like soft. Oh, also I added this sample from here to make it like because we need to keep people like attached to our tracks. Because look, then again the breakdown and build up again, which are structure on the same structure or building on the same structure. Sorry, I'm a little bit low right now with my English, but yeah, whatever. And it's almost the same. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah. For the outro, it's the same. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. and get ready for the release day. Maybe it's gonna be tomorrow, maybe the next week. I don't know. So yeah, besos en la frente. Bye, cuz.